since the coronavirus broke out from Wuhan, China in early 2020. It has infected and killed millions of people all around the world. Since then, the race to find a cure has been ongoing. Now that the vaccines are out, one may ask, how do the coronavirus vaccines protect the human body from the coronavirus? This is Hypothetical Experiments, and in this video we are going to show you how COVID-19 vaccines really work. First, to understand how COVID vaccines really work, it helps to first look at how our body fights illnesses. Our white blood cells fight infections. Different types of white blood cells fight infections in different ways. Macrophages are white blood cells that swallow up and digest germs and dead or dying cells. B lymphocytes are defensive white blood cells that produce antibodies that attack pieces of viruses left behind by macrophages. T lymphocytes are defensive white blood cells that attack cells in the body that have already been infected. COVID-19 vaccine helps the body to stop the virus that causes COVID-19 without us having to get the illness. mRNA vaccines contain material from the virus that causes COVID-19 that gives our cells instructions on how to make a protein that is unique to the virus. After the cells make copies of the proteins, they destroy the genetic material from the vaccines. Our bodies recognize that the protein should not be there and build T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes that remember how to fight the virus that causes COVID-19 if we are infected in the future, giving us immunity. Vector vaccines contain a weakened version of the live virus. It is a different virus from the one that causes COVID-19, but has genetic material from the virus that causes COVID-19 inserted in it. This is called viral vector. Once the viral vector is inside our cells, the genetic material gives the cells instruction on how to make a protein that is unique to the virus that causes COVID-19. Using these instructions, our cell make copies of the protein. This prompts our body to build T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes that will remember how to fight the virus if we are infected in the future. And the last type of vaccine, protein subunit vaccines. Protein subunit vaccines include harmless pieces of the protein of the virus that causes COVID-19 instead of the entire virus. Once vaccinated, our immune system recognizes that a protein does not belong to the body and makes T lymphocytes and antibodies. If we are ever infected in the future, memory cells will recall and fight the virus. It typically takes weeks for the body to produce T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes after vaccination. Therefore, it is possible that a person could get infected with the virus that causes COVID-19 just before or just after vaccination and then get sick because the vaccine did not have enough time to provide protection. Remember, macrophages are the white blood cells that swallow up and digest germs and dead or dying cells. B lymphocytes are defensive white blood cells that produce antibodies that attack pieces of virus left behind by macrophages, while T lymphocytes are defensive white blood cells that attack cells in the body that have already been infected. Sometimes, after vaccination, the process of building immunity can cause symptoms such as fever. These symptoms are signs that the body is building immunity. In summary, COVID-19 vaccines help our bodies develop immunity against the virus, but the vaccines also gives our bodies memories so it will remember how to fight the virus if we're infected in the future. Protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Stay safe and follow all safety guidelines. Watch more of our videos and get your questions answered. Before you go, thanks for watching, and please do make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell so you will always be updated when we upload a new video. If you liked the video or learned something new today, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Do you have any thoughts or questions you want answered? Write them to me in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.